How to fix the CapCut. Maximum number of attempts reached. Error. This issue can sometimes be caused by a network problem. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as a weak connection can interfere with CapCut's ability to process requests. Open CapCut, go to App Info, then to Storage and Cache, and clear the cache to remove temporary glitches. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for CapCut, and check if there's a new update. If available, tap Update to fix any bugs that may have been addressed in recent versions. After updating, close and reopen the app to reset any temporary issues. If the problem still persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling CapCut to resolve any corrupted app files. In case it's a server-side issue, you may need to wait until CapCut resolves the problem on their end. For further assistance, open CapCut, go to the Help Center, and contact CapCut support. Thank you for watching.